Hello everyone, this is John Diaz here at Blue Knob Ski Resort, looking at the Snowcat at work, grading the tubing trail. If you guys saw the previous short, the pile that was in front of the snowmaking machine, this machine just took all that snow and pushed it down the hill and is creating the trail. It's basically like a bulldozer in the snow that has special tracks and a whole lot of power with a diesel engine. At Blue Knob Ski Resort. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and press the like button if you enjoyed this video.